Hello, I'm Mark Kevin from Mortgage Advice Bureau Sydney, and welcome back to our weekly update. This week I'm giving the quick word on SMSF property investing and finance, one of my favourite areas of lending. Self-managed super funds, or SMSFs, have become a really popular way for Aussies to take control of their retirement savings, and one of the things I like about them is their ability to use leverage or debt to accelerate wealth creation. There's a lot of rewards with an SMSF and equally a lot of risks. The fact they are called self-managed, I think, is somewhat of a fallacy. There are strict penalties for getting it wrong, and consideration needs to be given to a wide range of tax, super, insurance and lending issues. You need a specialist team of accountants, financial advisors and brokers to help set up and manage your fund compliantly. Earlier this year, my wife and I set up our own self-managed super fund and subsequently bought a commercial property, so I can speak with experience on how complex and involved the whole process is and somewhat clunky. At Mortgage Advice Bureau Sydney, we're one of the leading SMSF lending brokerages in the country, and we've financed over 100 million in SMSF lending since inception. Over the last 9 months, we've seen a rapidly growing interest among our referred clients to invest in property using super. So what are our clients buying and how are they financing them? Our current clients are currently investing in a range of properties, from residential homes to commercial offices and commonly small industrial spaces. The key for each has been finding the right property that aligns with their investment strategy, their stage of life, their borrowing capacity, and importantly, their tolerance for risk. Anecdotally, we've recently seen a skew towards commercial properties as clients are chasing higher yields. Typically, the loan to value ratio we see is in that 60 to 70% range. We don't often have clients going to 80%, but there are options to do this. At our recent SMSF Property Power Up webinars, many of our clients were asking about how they get their borrowing capacity within super. And in the comments section, you'll find links to our SMSF borrowing capacity assessment tool. Simply fill in this form and we can give you a snapshot of your purchasing power in super. There's also a link to our SMSF lending playbook, which contains everything you need to know about investing in property via super. If you're considering SMSF property investing, at Mortgage Advice Bureau Sydney, we're here to help. We can provide expert advice, tailored solution, and connect you to a range of different professionals that can help you build wealth. Thanks for watching, and see you next week, where I'll get into more detail on the SMSF setup and costs. Join the conversation, like, comment, and follow me, please.